In this tutorial we'll show how to opt in to send dimensional and reporting data from an asset in order to use metrology reporting. Missing a step can result in seeing a help bubble like this on our parts dashboard. By default, only asset utilization data is sent to the SFX cloud. This tutorial assumes that we have already onboarded our CMM or tracker device asset to SFX. To opt in, we open SFX connector from the Windows tray. We edit the onboarded asset, then click Next until we reach the screen that says Opt-in Sending Data to Cloud. Here, we need to mark both the Send Dimension Results to the cloud and Send Reports to the cloud checkboxes. If we also want to send feature results for our CAD model, we can mark those checkboxes as well. And if we only require the cloud-hosted copy of reports, we can optionally mark the Delete Local Copy of Report after Upload option. Once configured, we can then view reports and dimensional summaries in Metrology Reporting within a minute or two of when a measurement finishes on the asset. Here, because we've enabled the transfer of CAD data, we will access the Parts CAD report. We can see that dimensional data is now getting transferred. In addition, once we return to the part dashboard, the CAD model is used as the thumbnail for that part tile.